Hey guys, welcome to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off tap to wake on Android. So if you are using Android device, you might consider to go to the settings and find the display option right here. So if not, I recommend to go to search settings right here and type here top, and you will see an options right here. This double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. So just tap this one to turn off that tap to wake, and you can see I have already toggled it on. So you just toggle it off right here, and you will see that if you toggle it off, you can now turn off this tap to wake on Android. So for example, I'll just turn off this phone. So if your screen on your phone is turned off, you can see the tap to wake option is disabled right now. So going back to that settings, and if you just want to turn it back on, you just toggle it on right here. And you can also toggle on this raise to wake. So when you get up your phone, it will automatically wake your screen. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next video.